Fourth example, find the sum of the integers between 1 and 70 and are divisible by 3. Let's first analyze the problem. We're looking for the sum, so the nth term, or should I say the sum of the n terms, first n terms is missing of the integers between 1 and 70. Between 1 and 70, so 1 hanggang 70. Correct? And you are looking the numbers between or the integers between. So, yung nasa pagitan nila. Now, next, condition. That is not the only condition. Sabi niya, n are divisible by 3. So, yung mga numbers daw na nasa pagitan nito na gagamitin natin ay dapat divisible by 3 din. So, anong shortcut doon? If they are divisible by 3, that means they are also multiples of 3. Correct? And what are the multiples of 3? 3, 6, 9, 12. So, ibig sabihin yun ang gagamitin natin sequence. Okay? Let's write it down. I have 3, 6, 9, hanggang, sabi niya kasi, between 1 and 70. So, what is the integer before 70 that is divisible by 3? That integer is 69. Now, let's proceed. Again, these numbers are between 1 and 70, and they are all divisible by 3. Okay? Given, the first term is 3. The last term is 69. The common difference is, what is the common difference? The common difference is 6 minus 3, that is 3. 9 minus 6, that is 3. So, 3. And you are looking for the sum of the terms. And you cannot find the sum of the terms if you do not have the number of terms. So, we are also looking for the number of terms. Next, we cannot solve that directly using the formula and finding the sum. But we can first look for the value of n. So, solve first for the value of n. Solve for n. How can we solve for n? We can use the general nth term formula in finding the value of n, which is a sub n is equal to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times the common difference. Now, let's substitute. A sub n is 69. 69 is equal to a sub 1 is 3 plus n is missing minus 1 and the common difference is 3. And we have to perform the indicated operation. 69 is equal to 3 plus 3 times n, 3n. 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3. And then we have to combine like terms, which is 3 and negative 3. 3 minus 3, that is 0. So, tanggalin. You only have 3n now. And with there, you can now solve for n by dividing both sides by 3. And 69 divided by 3, that is 23. So, therefore, the value of n is 23. We can now solve for the sum. So, find the sum of the first 23 terms between 1 and 70 and are divisible by 3. You have two options. Is it formula number 1 or formula number 2? You have the first term and you have the last term. So, formula number 1 is also usable. Can we also apply the second formula? Yes, but the much shorter one is the first formula. So, let's use the first formula. That is S sub n is equal to n over 2 times the sum of the first term and the last term. So, substituting it, n will become 23. So, the sum of the first 23 terms is equal to 23 over 2 times a sub 1 is 3 plus a sub n is 69 and 23 over 2, 3 plus 69, that is 72. 23 times 72 is 1,656. Let's double check it. 72 times 23, that is 1,656, and divided by 2. 1,656 divided by 2, that is equal to 828. So that is 828. Therefore, the sum of the first 23 terms of the sequence between 1 and 70 and r divisible by 3 is 828. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus 15 plus 18 hanggang plus 69 is 828. This is now example number 4.